6 types of body fat and how to get rid of it. Body fat, the bane of our existence. We hate it. We desperately want to get rid of it. But most of us don't realize that there is no universal remedy for the fat distributed in the various parts of our body. Well, be ready for an eye-opener, because Brightside is going to share some original and super effective ways to fight 6 different types of body fat. When we say original, we actually mean it. One of these ways is sleeping. Oh yeah, we've got your attention now. Number 6. Full upper body fat. This type of fat usually starts to accumulate if you consume more calories than you burn. So the main contributors here are overeating and inactivity. How to get rid of it? Do aerobics, because this type of fat appears due to a lack of physical activity. Make it a part of your daily routine. Running or swimming at least 30 minutes every day will help you burn this fat right off. If it seems impossible for you to fit any of these in your busy schedule, try brisk walking. Bring some tunes with you so that it won't feel so much like exercise. You can even dance if you want to. Stop consuming processed sugar and forget about sugar-sweetened drinks. Rather than making you full, sweet foods and drinks just make you consume way too many unneeded calories. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, sugary drinks account for 11% of your daily calorie intake, which is actually a lot given the fact that they don't nourish your body or provide any benefit whatsoever. Many scientists also consider them the main reason for the high rates of obesity. Now, before you reach for that diet soda, think twice, because it won't help you in your fight either. Carbonated drinks, even the diet ones, have artificial sweeteners that kick your body into fat storage mode. Okay, so what about some fruit juice? Not your best friend either. It has plenty of sugar in it. Stick to good old water. It has no calories and will help quench your thirst. Number 5. Lower abdomen fat. You might have perfectly slim arms and legs, but still not feel 100% satisfied with your looks because of a poochy tummy. Some of the reasons that cause fat to store in this part of the body are stress, depression, and anxiety. Yes, stress and depression can even do that to you. Bummer. How to get rid of it? Avoid stress and learn to relax. The stress hormone cortisol makes fat collect in the belly, so a good option for you is to meditate or do some breathing exercises. When we say meditation, we don't necessarily mean some fancy yoga class or a trip to Bali, although that would be fantastic. You can learn the most basic techniques and use them whenever you feel stressed out. It's all about focus and mind power. Try to move your focus down to your stomach and let it soften as you breathe deeper. Then, say this to yourself. Breathing in, I calm myself. Breathing out, I smile. Yeah, it sounds a little silly, but it'll work as long as it makes you smile. Your mind and body will get the everything's gonna be fine message and calm down. If you're looking for more meditation ideas, check out this video. Drink green tea. It's a great natural fat burner because it's loaded with antioxidants that can boost metabolism. Plus, if you're doing some physical exercise, green tea will also enhance its effect. According to the National Center for Biotechnology Information, green tea also works when you're just relaxing and even in your sleep. Sign me up! Finally, drinking a cozy hot cup of green tea is a good way to calm down when you need it. Number 4. Lower body fat. Your hips really don't lie. One of the causes of those annoying, chaffing thunder thighs is an excess of gluten in your diet. If you aren't happy with the size of your lower body, you may want to consider going gluten-free. How to get rid of it? Walk up hills and stairs. Yeah, in a world of elevators and escalators, easier said than done, right? But you really should make the effort because it'll set the fat in your thighs on fire. Figuratively, of course, which will tone your leg muscles. Riding a bike uphill or increasing the treadmill's incline will also work. Your heart will beat faster, and you'll have to work harder since you're moving upward. What will that do for you? Well, you'll burn more of those unwanted calories. Don't skip breakfast. I know, our modern-day go-go-go lifestyle means sitting down to have breakfast sounds like a thing of the past. It can be hard to make yourself eat in the morning, especially something healthy like oatmeal. Hit that thumbs up if you agree. But you have to do it for your own good. If you don't eat breakfast to kickstart your metabolism in the morning, you'll feel hungrier, more tired, and just groggy throughout the day, which will trick your body into eating more in an attempt to get energy. Also, if you skip breakfast, your body will think it's some kind of starvation situation and will start storing supplies, turning everything you eat into fat. You don't want that emergency stockpile on your body, do you? Number 3. A bloated stomach. They don't call it a beer belly for nothing. Excessive alcohol consumption can swell up your stomach, so be moderate with your drinks if you want a flatter tummy. How to get rid of it? Cut back on alcohol, as most of its calories end up becoming belly fat. Just like those carbonated drinks loaded with sugar, alcohol gives us calories but not nutritional satisfaction. It makes us hungrier and gives us food cravings. It brings down your level of leptin, which is a very useful hormone that tells your brain you've had enough food. It also causes a lot of other health problems, so really consider this one next time your friends invite you out to a night of drinks. Eat more often, yay, but in smaller portions. It'll not only improve your metabolism, but also help you stay energized. Plus, your belly will look smaller after each meal. Knowing your personal limit is key here. We all have different lifestyles. One person is more active and needs more food fuel than another. Find out how many calories you need on a daily basis using an online calorie calculator. Don't worry, the internet is full of them. It'll take into account your gender, age, height, weight, level of activity, and your weight loss goals. Then, you can just divide all the daily calorie intake number by 5 to figure out how many calories each meal should give you. Plan your meals and know their caloric content. It sounds like a lot of work, but this mealtime math can actually be fun. Plus, it'll help you reach your weight loss dreams. Number 2. Lower body fat, including lower legs. This type of fat is common for women who have vascular problems in their legs or during pregnancy, which can cause the legs to swell. See, men normally accumulate more fat in the belly area. Beer and football. Just kidding, guys. On the other hand, female hormones cause ladies to store extra pounds in the lower body and legs. How to get rid of it? To avoid swelling, you need to drastically cut down on salty foods since salt causes fluid retention in your body. No more French fries. Well, if you do enjoy your salty foods, this could actually be the reason for all the extra fat in your legs. Change your diet and add plenty of water to it. It'll flush out that extra sodium from your kidneys. Don't sit without moving for more than 30 minutes. Try to stand up and walk around frequently. Grab a glass of water, stretch, and move to the far corner of your office to talk to your coworkers. Any extra movement will do you good since it can help direct the extra fluid the right way. If you have the opportunity to lie down with your feet elevated, you should do that to prevent fluid from building up in your lower legs. Number 1. A large stomach with upper back fat. The main reason why this can happen to you is inactivity, so you should start exercising immediately if your big stomach and back fat bother you. How to get rid of it? And now the moment we've all been waiting for. Drum roll, please. The effective remedy for a large stomach and upper back fat is sleeping. Make sure that you're getting enough sleep. Sleep deprivation can lead to hormonal imbalances, an increased appetite, and weight gain, which will result in fat being stored mostly in your belly and back. I always knew sleeping was the right thing to do. Eat more food that is rich in fiber. This means adding beans, peas, lentils, broccoli, oatmeal, whole wheat pasta, avocados, and raspberries to your diet. Fiber will help reduce your appetite and calorie absorption from food and give your waist and back a much nicer appearance. Please remember that a healthy diet and an active lifestyle will have the best impact on your body, regardless of your figure type. The key is to make lifestyle changes that, with time, become a normal part of your routine. It's just the starting that's the hardest part. So get to it so that you can be on the road to a better you. Have you ever tried any of these tips? Were they helpful? Feel free to share in the comments. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Once it gets 50,000 likes, we'll share another video with fat-fighting tips. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. You don't want to miss all the cool updates we have on the way, do you?